Good morning, children. Today we will continue chapter 11 from page 83. Okay, so we had learned till now, we know that Chivi wanted that shawl for her mother, but they did not had money for that. The cost of the shawl was $6, and Chivi did not had that much money, and she was yet very small to earn. Okay, but then also she thought of many ways to earn money, but she did not know anything till now, and whatever she knew, okay, will give her money very little. Okay, but she wanted $6 for that shawl, otherwise somebody else will buy it. Okay, so we will start from page 83, column 2. Okay, with her trembling finger, she unclaps the little shell necklace and thrust it into his hand. I will bring more next time. Could you keep it a little while for me? Okay, means उसने थोड़ा सा ये दे दिया, मतलब उसका नेकलेस जो था वो दे के उसने शॉल खाली अपने लिए रख ली. शॉल का उस नेकलेस का उसको $2 वो ट्रेडर ने बोला ही था कि उसको $2 मिलेगा. सो नाउ ओनली $4 आर लेफ्ट. So she gave the necklace and told the trader that you keep the shawl aside. I will give you the rest of the money little by little. There was such eagerness in the little voice, such a look in the eyes, and such a tremble all through the small figure that the trader could not but see it. The expression in his eyes softened, and he put his hands on Chivi's black head. Okay, so ट्रेडर भी उसकी तरफ एकदम देखने लगा, उसका लुक, उसके आईज का लुक, ओके, उसके स्मॉल फिंगर्स और उसके आईज में जो एक्सप्रेशन था वो सब वो देख रहा था. मतलब ट्रेडर को भी लग रहा था कि शी इज सो मच डिटरमाइंड टू गेट दैट शॉल. ओके, हाउ ओल्ड आर यू लिटिल गर्ल, ही आस्क्ड अनएक्सपेक्टेडली. तो वो ट्रेडर ने उसको पूछा कि तुम कितने इयर्स की हो. 7, I think, answered Chivi in a surprised voice. My mother tells me, yes, she tells me 7. Okay, so she was not sure, but she's telling कि my mother tells me that I am 7 years old. Ah, said the man slowly, and the look in his eyes was far away, but very tender. My little girl would have been 7 now. Yes, he added, suddenly changing his voice. I will keep the shawl for you, little girl of Mesa, until you bring the rest of the money. And he turned to the other who had entered his store. So after inquiring that she is 7 years old, the trader also told that my daughter is also 7 years old. Okay, and she told that you keep the rest of the money and I will keep the shawl for you. Chivi felt as if she walked on air as she went to the wagon. The shawl was hers, almost. And almost was such a little word that she nearly forgot it altogether. Those warm, soft folds would rest on her mother's shoulders, and the lovely red would gleam as she walked. And how proud she would feel that she, Chivi, had bought and paid for it herself. Yes, and her heart dropped a little at the thought. But how was she going to pay for it herself? Now, Chivi felt as if she walked on air. On air means she was feeling very proud that she has done something good when she was going to the wagon. The shawl was hers, almost. Okay, matlab almost it was hers. She has to pay the money. And then she's imagining कि when her mother will put on the shawl on her shoulders, okay, how lovely she would look and how proud she would feel that Chibi had bought and paid it herself. Yes. And her heart dropped means now she was feeling little low. She was feeling little sad at the thought that from where she's going to pay the rest of the money, that is the $4. The next month was very busy one for Chiwi and a happy one too. And had her mother not been very occupied with her own work, she must have noticed something strange about Chiwi's action. She seemed to be hiding something, and there were trips she made into the desert for which she gave no explanation. Okay, so next month was busy for her mother and for Chiwi, and her mother did not inquire because she was also busy that what Chiwi is actually doing. Okay, her frequent visits to desert, okay, for which she had no explanation, and she was hiding something from her mother. When the next trading day came, there was a bumpy place under the little girl's shawl that had not been there on other trips. And when she handed the trader a great jar of wild honey, her heart was beating fast with excitement and happiness. She did not tell of the painful lumps on her arms that told of the angry stinking of the bee, but there was deep pride in her voice as she said, I have brought this to pay some more for the shawl. Next time I will bring something else. Okay, so when the next trading day came, there was a bumpy place under the little girl's shawl. That means some high raised something was placed under the shawl, okay, which was not there on the other trips. When she handed the trader a great jar of wild honey, okay, that means her visits to the forest. Why she was going to the forest? To collect honey. Her heart was beating fast with excitement and happiness. She did not tell of the painful lump on her arm that told of the angry stinking of the bee. Okay, so stinking of the bee was not that much high. Okay, that was not so much painful. Okay, but there was a deep pride in her voice. Okay, she was feeling very happy that she has done something to pay for the shawl. There was a look she could not understand in the trader's eye as he took the honey, but he turned quickly from her and spoke to a white stranger who was standing near. She could not catch the words, and when he turned back to her, she still could not understand the look in his eyes. Okay, the trader took the jar of the honey, okay, but then turned quickly from her and started speaking to the white stranger who was standing there. She could not catch the word, means she could not understand what they were talking. But when he turned back to her, she still could not understand the look in his eyes. What was actually happening. I have other shawls. She suddenly heard him saying to her, you will not mind that this gentleman has bought the blue one with the red underside. Okay, so now what the trader is telling, that I have other shawls, you can buy other shawls. This gentleman, this white gentleman, have bought the blue one with the red underside which you had kept. To Chiwi, it seemed as if the world turned black. Her shawl, her precious shawl, to go to this stranger. Okay, to Chiwi, the world have turned black. Okay, totally blackout in front of her. Her shawl, her precious shawl is now going to this gentleman. She could not speak, words would not come, and everything began to swim through the sudden tears in her eyes. She saw the stranger walk to the door with a bundle under his arm, and the trader turned his back to her to attend to those who waited at his counter. It could not be true. People could not be so cruel as that. She could not speak. Okay, when trader told that this gentleman wanted to buy the shawl, she could not believe, but she started crying. Okay, and all her thoughts, all her imagination went into this water of tears. She saw the stranger walk to the door with a bundle under his arm. Okay, and the trader also started attending other people. It could not be true. Still, she was thinking, people cannot be so cruel. Chiwi stumbled out of the store and went into the waiting wagon with a storm of anger and grief in her heart. But she could not cry. She sat in silence all the way home and tried to think why white people did things that no Indian could ever do. At their home door, her mother called to her to help with the parcels in the wagon. So on the way home, Chiwi sat very quietly. She was very angry. She was very sad. Okay. And she could not cry also, because then her mother will ask why she is crying. So she sat in silence. Okay. And tried to think that why white people did things that no Indian could ever do. At their door, home door, her mother called to help her with the parcel in the wagon. And take this great one, she said, that the white stranger said you had bought from the trader. With what could you buy, little daughter? Chiwi opened her eyes wide and stood still. What could it mean? Okay, so what is her mother telling? That we have this one big parcel also, and the white stranger has said that you had bought something from the trader. What have you bought, little daughter, and with what you have bought? Okay, मतलब what is it and with what also? ये भी उसकी मम्मी उसको पूछ रही है कि पैसे मतलब मनी कहाँ से आए. तो Chiwi opened her eyes wide and stood still. What could it mean? Okay. Her mother placed a great bundle in her arms, wrapped in white paper. Soft it felt to the touch, soft like a baby. So her mother placed the great bundle in her arms, wrapped in white paper. It was very soft. She did not wait to think, but tore open the paper there before her door, and it was the shawl, her shawl, and tied to one corner was a little card with words printed on it. She could read them with difficulty. She wished now that she had taken more lessons from the lady teacher at the mission school. Okay, so when the bundle was open, it was the shawl. It was her shawl, and there was one little card which was written on the and it was kept tied to one corner. So, but she could not read them. She could read it with difficulty, and now she is wishing that she should have taken more lessons from the lady teacher at the mission school. It is your love for your mother that has bought this shawl, little girl of Missa, and it is my love for another little girl like you that gives you back your precious treasure. White hearts are just the same as Indian ones inside. Okay, so what was written? It was written that it was the love for your mother that has bought this shawl, little girl. And it is my love for another little girl like you that gives you back your precious treasure. So the white person had given as a gift to Chiwi. White hearts are just the same as Indians. So that was written. And there, beside the shawl, wrapped in a bit of paper, was a pink shell necklace. So necklace was also returned. Now, Chiwi did cry, but the tears were just for happiness as she hugged the shawl and her mother, who did not yet understand, and the little pink necklace that had come home again. So her mother was a little bit surprised at what was going on. Why Chiwi is crying? Why is the shawl given as a gift? Why is the necklace of Chiwi also in the that was also wrapped inside the packet? She did not know then or afterwards whether it was the trader himself or the white stranger who had given her the shawl, as a trader would not say. But to Chiwi it did not matter, for she had learnt a great secret, one that you and I know already, that white hearts are just the same as Indian ones inside. To Chiwi, it was still the secret that whether the white person have given or the trader have given. Okay, but it did not matter to Chiwi. Okay, for she had learnt a great secret that the white hearts are also the same as the Indian one. So what is the message, children? कि if you are determined to do something, okay, first and foremost your determination has to be very strong. If you are determined to do something, okay, तो पूरी कायनात उसको रोक नहीं सकती है, राइट? ये डायलॉग तो सुना ही होगा कि योर डिटर्मिनेशन हैज टू बी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड प्योर हार्ट्स बिगेट्स प्योर थॉट्स. ओके, मतलब अगर अपना हार्ट प्योर हो तो उसमें जो थॉट्स आती है, ओके, जो थॉट्स इवॉल्व होती है या थॉट्स डेवलप होती है वो भी प्योर ही होती है. आई होप दैट यू लाइक्ड दिस chapter.